SNAP benefits in 2026 are undergoing significant updates that every recipient, applicant, and advocate should understand. The Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program has been a lifeline for millions of Americans facing food insecurity. Changes in eligibility, benefit calculations, reporting requirements, and work rules are creating a new landscape that could affect your household budget and access to nutritious food. It is important to know what is changing, why these updates are happening, and how to navigate the new system with confidence. This video covers the essential information you need for SNAP in 2026. The first major update involves income eligibility standards. The federal government adjusts SNAP income limits annually to reflect changes in the cost of living. In 2026, the gross and net income thresholds are increasing in many states. This means some households that previously exceeded income limits may now qualify. However, adjustments are not uniform across all states, as some have opted to implement broader income limits, while others maintain stricter criteria based on state-specific rules. Understanding your state's exact limits is critical, and local SNAP offices can provide precise figures. Asset limits are also changing. For years, some states have maintained asset tests, while others waived them under pandemic-era waivers. In 2026, more states are reassessing their asset limit policies. Households with savings, vehicles, or other countable resources should review whether their assets impact eligibility. Some families may now qualify even with higher savings, while other states may reinstate limits that reduce eligibility. Knowing how your resources are evaluated can help you plan ahead. Work requirements are a central focus of the 2026 SNAP policy updates. Non-disabled adults without dependents aged 18 to 49 who are able-bodied will face stricter work or training expectations. These work requirements aim to encourage employment and self-sufficiency, but they also mean that many recipients must document hours of work, job searching, or approve training activities. States have flexibility in implementing these requirements, including exemptions or extensions for areas with high unemployment. If you are subject to work rules, documenting activities accurately and communicating with your SNAP office is vital. The way benefits are calculated is seeing modifications as well. The Thrifty Food Plan, which determines the maximum SNAP benefit allotment, continues to be updated based on food cost data. While 2026 sees adjustments to reflect inflation and regional food price differences, the net effect varies by household size and location. Some households will see modest increases, while others may notice changes that require budget adjustments. Understanding how benefit amounts are determined can help you forecast your assistance and plan meals effectively. Reporting requirements are more demanding. Many states are implementing or expanding periodic reporting, requiring households to update income, employment status, and household composition more frequently. Failing to report changes on time can result in benefit reduction or case closure. Keeping meticulous records, setting reminders for reporting deadlines, and promptly notifying your SNAP office of changes can prevent disruptions in benefits. There are implications for households with mixed immigration status. Federal rules determine eligibility based on citizenship or qualified non-citizen status, but states can offer state-funded food assistance to other residents. In 2026, some states are expanding state-funded programs to cover individuals who do not qualify for federal SNAP due to immigration status. If you or someone in your household is affected, inquire about state-funded alternatives to federal SNAP benefits. Emergency allotments, which provided additional funds during the COVID-19 pandemic, have largely ended. In place of blanket emergency boosts, some states offer targeted temporary assistance during disasters or extreme conditions. Understanding when and how these emergency benefits are available can help households prepare for unexpected events. Electronic benefits transfer, EBT systems, are also seeing enhancements. Some states are expanding the use of EBT for online grocery purchases, farmers market transactions, and even nutrition education programs. These changes aim to make it easier and more dignified to use SNAP benefits. However, availability varies by retailer and region, so learn which options exist in your community. Outreach and enrollment efforts are increasing in many areas. Partnerships with food banks, community organizations, and healthcare providers are helping raise awareness of SNAP eligibility and benefits. If you think you may qualify, these community resources can help you complete applications, understand documentation, and access complimentary food assistance services. The policy environment around SNAP continues to evolve. Advocacy groups and policymakers regularly propose changes related to benefit adequacy, work requirements, nutrition incentives, and program accessibility. Staying informed through reliable sources, including state SNAP offices, official government websites, and reputable advocacy organizations, will help you understand future changes that could affect your benefits. SNAP fraud penalties are being clarified in many jurisdictions. Intentional program violations can result in disqualification periods, fines, or even criminal charges. It is essential to report accurate information on applications and recertifications. If you have questions about what counts as allowable income or resources, seek guidance rather than assuming. Appeals processes are available if a SNAP decision seems incorrect. Households have the right to a fair hearing if benefits are reduced, denied, or terminated. Knowing how to request an appeal, what deadlines apply, and what evidence to present can make a significant difference in preserving your benefits. Nutrition education programs linked to SNAP are receiving new funding in some states. These programs offer classes on meal planning, budgeting, and healthy eating. Participation can deepen your knowledge about food choices and help stretch your benefit dollars further. Get FORT, the cybersecurity course, for just $90 instead of $200. Special bonus, free security starter kit. Offer ends in 72 hours. Don't miss out. For families with changing household circumstances, such as births, deaths, job changes, or moves, timely communication with the SNAP office is crucial. Reporting changes quickly helps maintain correct benefit levels and avoids overpayments that could later require repayment or penalties. Some states are pilot testing incentive programs that reward healthy food purchases with additional benefits. These programs aim to increase access to fruits, vegetables, and other nutritious foods for SNAP participants. Check if your state participates in any healthy incentive pilot and how you can benefit.